Football practice is shut down at Pleasanton High School after one of their players tested positive for the coronavirus. And tonight, a local medical expert warns this may become the norm unless football programs shift their schedules to next year. So we want to know your thoughts. How would you feel about your child participating in fall sports? You can choose from comfortable, unsure, or uncomfortable. Just head to KENS5.com/vote to weigh in. You can also vote at the KENS5 app. Just scroll down on the home screen and click on the Vote tab. While you weigh in, Eyewitness News reporter Marvin Hurst has more on the coronavirus's grip on the gridiron.
Pleasanton ISD officials confirm one of the players on this field at Pleasanton High tested positive for the coronavirus. They just can't tell us who. Superintendent Matthew Mann says the player came to practice Wednesday feeling sick.
Had some headache and some other symptoms, but thought it was allergy kind of related, but mom felt as if she needed to test him, which we were glad she had.
The student's mother had him tested for COVID-19. The results were positive. The school sent out notification in a letter. Practice is now shut down until August 26th. So far, this is not impacting upcoming games. The district does not believe any other players are infected, but the students are under parental observation.
And we're trying to have, to try to have these activities. They're important to students, but we have the reality of COVID.
I can see absolutely no way to avoid COVID-19 transmission the way that Texans and other people around the country play football.
Dr. Fred Campbell is a professor at the UT Health Science Center in San Antonio. He also played football at Roosevelt High School.
A pile of athletes who are very close together after a play, you would expect there to be virus extruded from the mouth and nose naturally, and so there's going to be a lot of COVID-19 virus in those situations.
To stop the spread, Dr. Campbell believes moving football to 2021 may be the answer, even with well-conditioned athletes who may tolerate the virus. Back in Pleasanton, where tossing the pigskin is sidelined, school officials are praising the off-field effort of the infected student and his mother.
I'm proud of the student and the parent being able to come and be able to tell us.
Marvin Hurst, KENS5, Eyewitness News.
All extracurricular activities have been suspended at Pleasanton ISD after a school official tested positive for the coronavirus. The district superintendent says the school official coordinated a photo shoot with football players, cheerleaders, and a county official for an ad in the district's football program. During the visit, the district's mask and closed practice policies were violated. However, the superintendent says the school official had no close contact with students. Extracurriculars will resume on Monday. Now, let's check in on our poll. We asked, how would you feel about your child participating in fall sports? So far, the majority of voters say uncomfortable. You can still weigh in. Voting will stay open through the end of Eyewitness News at 5.